You're receiving the CyberStream System Update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell, and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update, Windows 11 update breaks Wi-Fi networks. Have you installed the December 2023 Windows 11 update? You should know about how it breaks Wi-Fi networks. The update includes new Intel, AMD, and Realtek drivers. The patch notes do not contain any details, so understanding how they improve your system remains a matter of speculation. The update breaks Wi-Fi networks by affecting your adapter's ability to connect. The connectivity issues aren't always consistent across all networks, so while you might easily connect to your home network, your adapter might struggle to connect to others. But you'll most likely experience the problems if you use an enterprise, education, or public Wi-Fi network using 802.1x authentication. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, disable 802.11r. 802.11r enables your adapter to facilitate faster internet roaming and reconnecting to alternate networks when your signal drops. Many people report that turning this off, especially on affected networks, eliminates the problem. However, turning off 802.11r brings other issues, including poor roaming on your mobile device. With a minimal improvement in connection, this approach is less than suitable. So, 2, consider updating or waiting for the update. Whatever the issue is in the update, Microsoft or the impacted vendors will surely resolve the reported issues in subsequent updates. Consider delaying this update until that has occurred, or uninstalling the update if it's impacting your ability to connect to Wi-Fi networks. Your IT department should be able to delay or uninstall the patch remotely and automatically using their patch manager. 3, use the known issues rollback feature. You can solve the problem by using the Microsoft Known Issues Rollback feature. Microsoft developed this feature to deal with non-security bugs that occur from updates. Your IT department can create a policy to enable this feature for impacted users, allowing them to resolve the issue with just a reboot once the computer has connected to the network and applied the appropriate policy. For more information on this story or how CyberStreams can help you understand your cyber fit score using our proprietary cyber fit assessment, check out the description or comments accompanying this content. This concludes your CyberStream system update. This is Matt Cordell signing off.